Hi, I'm Sadie, and I run Sadie Pitsy Interiors, a high-end design firm specialising in renovation and new build construction. Now, I am really excited to be holding this special interior design workshop, The Secret to Designing Your Own Home. And even more excited to be holding it here at the Havwoods showroom on North Street in the middle of Guildford town centre. So, what are we going to be learning? Well, it's 2 hours of non-stop interior design knowledge, covering how to get your design started, how to create your own concepts and layouts, discover our top secret suppliers for sourcing, and create your own sample boxes full of amazing interior finishes that you get to take home with you. Renovating your home is expensive, and we understand that you really want to get it right. Through running these workshops, we want to give you the skills to develop interiors that really work for you. A sensational design that makes you feel excited every time you come home. So if that resonates with you, then head to our website and check out our next bookable workshop. Now, we only have a limited amount of spaces, so don't delay, get it booked, and I'll see you there.